Hey all, it's Adam from Metro Hobbies and I am so excited because we have a new shipment of awesome new Bandai merch. So let's check out what we got to put on the shelves today. Let's start off with a bit of Digimon stuff. Now, anyone who's built any of the Digimon kits know they are really fun. Bit on the straightforward side for my liking, but that's not a bad thing at all, particularly when they come in black. Now, the Metalgarurumon kit has been out for a while now. Why not get a nice little thing to accompany it on your shelf? Get in black, light side, dark side, and it looks pretty feral, pretty awesome. You gotta love it. Next up, one I've been waiting for quite a while. Gundam, also known as Dukemon. This kit looks amazing. I've seen a lot of conversion pieces done with this kit, a lot of alternative paint jobs. You can really, because that color separation is nice and solid, you can really paint it up to be nice and bright on the armor and that gold. You can really detail it up nicely. But even out of the box, it is a fantastic kit. Can't wait to put one together for myself. Next up, something for the Ultraman fans out there. Tika Sky type action. Now, the Ultraman kits are quite unique. They have some really nice metal effects on them. I've never seen Ultraman myself, I will admit, but I know it has its fans going way back when. And the kits, like I said, in figurized standard, are pretty cool. Now, onto something that hasn't seen many releases of late, so it's good to have some out. 30-minute missions. So we've got Port Nova, space type in the dark purple. Very nice distinction with your purple and red. Now, of course, these kits are completely compatible with each other. So if you want to mix your Port Novas with your Seal Novas, that sort of thing, you can mix and match to your heart's content. And that nice red, purple, white, that's going to go good with some other kits, for sure. And to add on to that, got a few new accessories. Got the cannon bike. Now, every mech is awesome. It's just that simple. However, one thing that's cooler than a basic mech is a mech on a bike. What's cooler than that is a bike that's also a gun. So this is a really cool little accessory you can have. Got your gun built into the back, motorbike on the front. You can't lose. It's a winner. Next up, Spacecraft in black. Now this set has been out before, another accessory set for the 30-minute missions, but to have it in black really fits alongside with that darker sort of space theme, particularly if you want to go for something like the aforementioned Port Nova in that dark purple. Really going to complement it well. It just looks really menacing. I love it. Next up, we will go for Cybuster. Now this is from an old series from 1999. Pretty cool, all to do with a sort of world in terror and of course the giant robot to save it. Really cool, really awesome, and I love that sort of lavender with the purple accents. Really cool. Might have to build one myself. And next up, we'll go for something a bit more on the quick build side. How can you not love Pac-Man? Everyone loves Pac-Man. I have a very soft spot for Pac-Man. This is a entry grade kit. Don't need any glue, don't need any tools for this one. You just take it straight off the sprue. Good for a nice little 15-minute thing to do in your work break. Goes together nicely. And of course, Pac-Man in his iconic pose. You can't go wrong with Pac-Man. And even that box art is just astonishing. Very colorful. I love it. And one more in the entry grade line. And this is one that a lot of people have been waiting on for quite a while because it is so adorable. Eevee's cute as it is. You make, you know, a sleeping Eevee. It's so adorable. Like really, is there anything more adorable than a sleeping Eevee? I don't think so. And honestly, this will look so great on any shelf, on any desk. Just great way to nap the days away. Now, to get into some Gundam related stuff. The Full Mechanics Calamity 1/100 scale has finally hit the shelves. This kit has been receiving some great praise, some great reviews, and rightfully so. Full Mechanics is that sort of lineup, not quite in the master grade sort of levels, but it doesn't need to be. It fits that price range nicely, and it is still a very threatening kit to have on the shelf. Has some nice stickers in there as well. See, we'll go around the side there. Big guns on a big mech. You can't go wrong with that. Gonna have to get one for myself for sure. Put that on display in the store. And we'll move over to the next in the RG Evangelion line, the Mark 6. Now, all the RG Eva kits have been awesome. There's just no one who can deny that. They are really cool. They go together really nice and tightly. And they all come standing a bit taller than your average 1/44 scale in a Gundam. So they are a bit taller, and they really have a nice distinction of colors. Obviously, anyone who's seen the show from way back when, or the movies, of course, can sort of pick out just from the colors which actual Evangelion it is. So yeah, really cool. And it comes with quite a few accessories as well, getting nice and close to that one. Nice sticker decal sheet in there as well. And I do love the Cassius lance in there. Really cool. So yeah, go great with the rest of the Evangelion range. And the final one, and honestly the one I'm most excited for, is really cool. Now, anyone who knows me knows I'm a massive Wing fan. First Gundam series I ever watched. To have the classic Wing Gundam from the old TV show in real grade is so cool. I actually had to rush in and pick this up as soon as they hit the shelf just to start building it. I'm almost done with it, and it has been an absolute joy to build. Snaps together fantastically. It's one of my favorite real grades so far, possibly just trailing behind the new Gundam. So yes, I will be having a review for that one out soon. And it does have the full transformation gimmick in there. Really awesome, really cool. I can't wait to show you guys that one in action. So that about sums it up, guys. Really cool stuff on the shelf. Don't forget to check the website, of course, if you want to get your hands on any of this stuff. Available now, ready to go, happy to ship it out to you. And of course, feel free to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Give us a call, say g'day, and we'll catch you next time. Oh, and I forgot to mention as well, guys, we do have the Minishima tool range in stock now. These are really cool little tools to have, complement your little tool set. And they are, of course, made in Japan, so they are fantastic quality. And I'm sure throughout the ages, your nippers have started to blunt. Why not treat yourself? Get some brand new Minishima nippers. Check them out, guys.